Successful by brilliant perfect sacrifice with open candidates with round number 3, with FIDE candidates here between with Grandmaster Pragnananda in India, the older sister of Vaishali, and faces by versus by Grandmaster in Uzbekistan is Japuskir Sindarov. So what do you think about this best game with Excelente with round number 3? So let's study of this played chess here. Okay, white pieces with GM Prague versus black pieces with GM Sindarov. So it means standard games with 2 Rs without standings after round number 3 with opens candidates with FIDE candidates. So white plays Prague is d4, d5 Sindarov, c4, e6 Queen's Gambit, knight c3, bishop e7, knight f3, knight f6. It is followed by 3 knights R-Swiss mainline. So with R-Swiss and also bishop f4 with Prague, or maybe usually, so it means without next of movement is bishop to g5 here, so it means bishop f4 here, castling with Sindaro, and also pawn e3 without pawn e3 with Prague with let go against with developed by light square bishop, and also c5. So it means together with the two connected pass pawns. So this is a white and black, so without upcoming by attacks the pawns or capture these pawns here. So usually, so this is the main lines here is also c6 second by knight e7, third by b6 here. So this is a third main lines. Without fourth is c5 pawns with Sindarov here, and also captured with Prague, bishop captured with Sindarov, and also pawn a3 by no more by bishop to b4, because this is a connected pass pawn with Prague, or next by pawn to b4 with threatening the bishop. So this is a attacks here, and also knight c6 with Sindarov, queen c2 with Prague by next of rook d1. So this is a rook d1 by next move here, and also rook e8 with below by rook e files, bishop g5. So it means, so without main, so it means this is the idea by rook d1 here. So this is a rook d1 is a perfect shot by move once of these computer stockfish here. Without Prague is chooses by g5 here. Without g5 and also d4. Oh, so without, why movement by pawn d4? Because this is a chooses by Sindaro pawn d4, and why cannot move with rook d1? Because this is a forgot piece of this one with move, because chooses of Sindaro with pawn d4 very strong move against movement with entering here. Bishop captured with Prague here, queen takes captured, and also knight e4 with Prague by targets with threats the queens and threatening the bishop here. Queen f5, so this is a disappearance by book lines with Sindaro. So this is the old main lines with the last year in the year of 2025 is queen to g6 according playing by Megan Athea Paragua, the father of Paragonic. So this is a Megan Paragua in this live in the Philippines or states here. So queen g6 is a old main lines with the year 2025 Megan Paragua. So it means queen f5 disappearance by book lines novelty with Sindaro here, because this is a novelty. Pawn b4 good move with Prague with threats the bishop. Oh, knight captured sacrifice. What a good shot with Sindaro, because knight captured, so this is a sacrifice move here. Sacrifice with captured with Sindaro, or maybe without idea with threats the queens, so it means threatening the queens. Captured with sacrifice with Prague attacks the bishop. Bishop captured with check. King d1. Oh, so no need by castling. So no need by castling kingside by Prague here. So it means, so this is a determinations here. Takes. Oh, with a takes with Sindaro by next of move by rook to d8 with check, because this is a capture response here with idea to Sindaro, and also bishop e3 defense here by no more by this one rook d8 to move up this one to protect the bishop here. So this is a movement by Prague. Queen backwards g8, queen backwards g6 here with Sindarov by next up threatening the pawns here, or attacks the pawns, and capture this pawn, and also f5, good move. Oh, good move, because um why is that? Because knight to e4, because this is a openings by defense the pawns here. With that back is f5, good move. Without threatening the knights, because this is a movement here, because f5 excelente with threatening the knights here. And also Prague is knight g3, without knight g3 here, with movement with Prague here. Bishop c5 with Sindarov, or maybe with that idea with Sindarov with threats the pawns here. Okay, this is a more threats here. And also queen c3 by Prague, so does not like of this computer, because this is a below evolution bar with Prague. So the one's computer the best is without pawn to e4 here. So pawn e4 is a once of this computer here. So if you capture this pawn, bishop captured here with threatening the queens here. So where are they going with blacks with queens here? And so that idea is queen to more queen f7 here. So this is a good for whites here. So queen c3 with Prague, so does not like of this computer engine. And also with e5 excelente. Okay, with that explain, for example, sir, why don't we bishop capture this? Okay, bishop takes e3 here. And also with pawn to c5. Oh, strong move again. So c5 here. So this is a good for examples here. Okay, with back there is pawn to e5, good move with Sindarov. Bishop backward c2. Okay, with that explain. For example here. In accept, why don't we knight capture pawn? If you knight takes e5 here, with threatening the queens here, so where think we going? And also queen f6. Okay, queen f6 here. So this is a good score. So look at evolution bar. So this is a good precise here. So this is a good examples here. So bishop c2 backwards with the idea with Prague. Strong e4. What a good. I forgot something. So it means with e5 with the idea with threats the movement by next of this one with e4, or maybe with doubles with bishops and knights. So this is a double attacks. I'm sorry, I got forgot the next with next move here. So that idea with e4 here. Okay, let's continue with e5 by excellent, bishop backward c2 and e4, because this is a backwards with bishop to c2, or maybe with movement by this one with pawn to e4 with threatening the knights here. So this is a threats here, because this is a backwards way by bishop to c2, and knight d2 with Prague, rook d8. Oh, with the pressures by rook d8 with Sindarov, or maybe with queens with kings with check, because cannot move by knights here. If you can, so cannot move up this one with knight to b3, because this is a rook queens with check here with kings here. So this is a connected by strong move by perfect shot here. And also with king c1, okay, good precise here. So force move with Prague. And excellent is queen g5. What a one perfect move again. So perfect shot by this one with Sindarov. Rook e1. Oh, another one perfect shot. Queen to e7 by Sindarov. What a perfect, another perfect precise by Sindarov. Rook e2. And bishop b4. Oh, so it means, I forgot something. So it means queen e7 by next of, with the next of this one with maneuver, next of this one with bishop to b4 with threatening the queens, because this is a movement here by queens. So this is a next of this one. So it means rook e2 with Prague, bishop e4 with Sindarov with threatening the queens, or maybe with threatening the queens here. So it means with threats attacks the queens, and maybe hereby pins with threats the rooks or pin the knights here. So this is a more threats. And Prague is queen backwards b2 with ignores by avoided by this one with Prague, and also a5 defense of this bishop, knight b3 with Prague. Oh my god, so this is a movement, so this is a solutions by this one with positional move. Rook a6, without differentiate, without idea by this one with rook to d6, with idea, without idea, so it means without battery, with controls here. So this is a good precise here. And also knight d4, okay, good precise with Prague. And also queen g5, so this is a give and god move with Sindarov. So does not like of this computer. So the one's computer, the perfect shot is pawn g6, okay, pawn g6. So this is a good solutions here once of this computer engine. So what are good ones of this computer? So this is a advantage for blacks. Okay, so back there, this one is queen g5 with Sindarov and king b1. Forced move against with Prague. And also h5, what a perfect, another perfect shot by Sindarov. By next up, this one with h4 with strong move against threatening the knights here. And king a2, forced move again with Prague. h4, what a strong against with Sindarov, what a perfect. Knight f1, okay, knight f1 with more avoided ignorance by Prague. Bishop to d7, rook d1 with Prague, and also rook c8. Okay, so this is a good perfect shot here. And also knight d2 with Prague, rook b6 with Sindarov, or maybe without idea with rook pins with queens. So this is a more threats here. So this is a threatening with also with queens. Or maybe here by next up, this one with bishop to c5, or maybe openings by rook with pinning the queens here. So this is a controls. And with Prague is c5. Oh my god, what the worst with Prague. So this is a bad move, another bad move with G and Prague, because this is a threats here. So the one's computer the best, this one is pawn g3. Okay, pawn g3. So this is a goods of this one once of this computer here. So this is a good advantage for whites here. So c5 attacks the rook. Rook takes capture, worst move against with Sindaro. So this is a brand X. So the branded, the perfect shot is bishop captured. Okay, bishop captured. So openings by rook with threats the queens here. So this is a good, slightly better advantage for black. So this is a once of this computer engine. Okay, back there, this one, rook takes captured. Queen b3 checks. Oh my god, what the worst again, another bad move by Prague. So this is a weak move here with GM Prague here. So the best move is knight to c2. Okay, knight c4. Okay, knight c4 is a best move. So it means knight c4 is a once of this computer, or maybe with a threats the rooks here, and maybe by ignorance by rook a6 here. Okay, rook a6 here, so good, slightly advantage for whites here, because so it means knight to c4. Knight to c4 is a best move here. I'm sorry, got wrong notes. I think knight c3. I thought knight c4 here. Okay, so without queen b3 check here, and also king h8, queen f7. Oh my god, queen f7 here without idea, with threatening the bishop here. Okay, so the first tips guessing puzzle. What do you think about the one's computer with successful, perfect, brilliant once of this computer engine with GM Sindarov Uzbekistan? Okay, so the first guessing puzzles here. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook takes C2 check. What a brilliant with GM Javorskis in the rook. Brilliant perfect shot. Look at evaluation bar. Highest accuracy evaluation bar. King B1? Huh? Oh my god. So it means King B1 because the force move against with GM Prague. So without warning, so do not knight captured here. Do not knight takes c2 rook here. And the number one pin. Bishop e6 check. We check. So it means we check here. So it means traps that means. So this is a loss against whites here. Number one by traps here. So this is a number one. So do not captured with knight captured rook here. So it means be careful against with move here. So back there is king b1 with Prague against with attacks the rooks. Rook takes captured. Okay, rook takes captured here with challenge by double by rook to rook. So this is a double. So two rooks here and rook captured with Prague, bishop captured, and also king a2. Why don't we try if you rook captured? So it means, oh no more. So do not capture there. I think the check. I think check here. I'm sorry, I got rook captured bishop. So it means this save pins with check. Okay. So it means bishop captured d2 with check. I think king a2. King a2 here. So it means do not capture rook bishop because this is a threats with check. I thought with check here. So this is a first by this one with check here. So it means with check by bishop takes d2 check. So let's go back. It's king a2 with Prague here. Bishop captured. Oh, bishop captured. Queen takes captured bishop. Bishop takes and queen takes captured and queen f6. So how many pawns? So two connected pass pawn and blocked by this one with 6 connected pass pawn with Sindarov resigns with GM Prague. So what the wins against with Grandmaster Sindarov here. Okay, so the score with Prague 87.5 and Sindarov 94.6. So what the wins against with Uzbekistan by Grandmaster Sindarov. Okay, so the next round number 4 with women's candidates here. I will proper by this one by analyze between Divya Deshmukh versus Shujaner. So I will analyze of these next games. Okay, so I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logi 17, aka Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. Happy Black Saturday and bye-bye.